Welcome to the final part of our Edinburgh Walking Tour. Today, we step into the Georgian elegance of the new town, a masterpiece of 18th century urban planning. Princes Street is the city's premier shopping thoroughfare, offering a unique blend of high street retail and stunning historic views. Parallel to Princes Street lies George Street, known for its sophisticated atmosphere and beautifully preserved neoclassical facades. St. Andrew Square anchors the east end of the new town, surrounded by grand banks and modern offices. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. At the western end, Charlotte Square stands as the pinnacle of Georgian design, home to the First Minister of Scotland. Tucked between the grand boulevards is Rose Street, a lively pedestrian lane filled with local character and historic pubs. The new town is also a cultural hub, home to world-class galleries like the Royal Scottish Academy. The National Gallery houses Scotland's finest art collection, a treasure trove of creativity in the heart of the city. The wealth of the Enlightenment is visible in every grand mansion and stately civic building across these streets. We now make our way toward Calton Hill, perhaps the most iconic viewpoint in all of Edinburgh. Often called Athens of the North, Calton Hill is crowned with monuments inspired by ancient Greek architecture. The Nelson Monument stands tall, a tribute to the legendary admiral and a landmark visible for miles. The Dugald Stewart Monument offers one of the most famous photographic angles of the Edinburgh Castle. From the city observatory, astronomers once studied the stars above this northern capital. Looking north, we see Leith Walk stretching toward the sea, connecting the city center to the historic port. On a clear day, the Firth of Forth sparkles in the distance, a reminder of Edinburgh's coastal heritage. Below us lies St. Andrew's House, an Art Deco masterpiece that serves as the administrative heart of Scotland. The old Royal High School remains a powerful symbol of Edinburgh's academic and architectural legacy. From this height, the orderly grid of the new town reveals its perfect symmetry and grand scale. As the sun begins to set, the monuments take on a majestic glow, marking the end of our journey. From the volcanic peaks to the medieval closes, Edinburgh's beauty is truly timeless. Thank you for joining us for this three-part tour of Scotland's magnificent capital city. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the magic, history, and scenery of Edinburgh with us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Until next time.